What are you doing?
I'm making myself a sandwich. That's what I'm doing.
Oh no.
What?
Crisps on a bread.
That's
Carbs
what you do.
and carbs.
Carbs and carbs. Look at me. There's nothing wrong with me, and we used to get them many a year. Or chips, as they call them in America. Pile them up. Do you know your man from Northern Ireland? What's his name? He was on Jimmy Kimmel making a crisp sandwich. Northern Ireland accent. Do you remember that guy?
Oh, the hot guy.
Yeah. What's his name?
He was in.
He was in.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was in that one. But he was making a crisp sandwich, and it wasn't really a traditional one. I don't know what he was doing, but. Got the other slice. Pat the baker. Tayto crisps, isn't that it? That's all we eat around here. Now here. This is the moment now. Come here. Come over. Listen to the sound. Now. You're a good old sandwich, aren't you? Gonna eat you now. And then you cut through it. Right? Never eat a sandwich without a cup of tea to wash it down. Ready for the moment. Nice and squash is here. Not bad if I say so myself.
Must be nice, is it?
Lovely. I'll leave the recipe of this very complex sandwich at the end of the video. Can't beat a good crisp sandwich.
I know you can have potatoes with chocolate as well.
With chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
That's like having Coke in your tea or something.
What are you having? Cheese and onion, is it?
Cheese and onion potato. It's a potato sliced up, thrown into a bag.
There's very little in a bag though.
There's very little in the bag now, but Mr. Tayto's still there though. He's still the same size. Do you want the other one?
No, thank you.
Sure.
I'll be happy with a ham and cheese sandwich. I never even knew that people eat this.
I know.
It's not a thing anywhere else in the world.
And why wouldn't you eat a crisp sandwich?
I better learn how to make this at least.
Yeah, you better learn how to make it. I'm cheating a bit because I'm not eating the crust. I remember I used to go to school and then there was the Fridays he used to give us the crisp sandwich, wasn't it? This is top cuisine stuff. I'll give you the last bite. Put on a mask when you're eating just in case you get COVID.
These are very nice. I like the crisps.
Good. There's no fish in it so you can't get salmonella. Right, that's enough.